Hello and welcome to English Speaking 360. Today we are teaching you the more the better and other comparative correlatives. This is advanced English grammar, so buckle up, let's go. Here's the basic style. The more the better. What is the meaning of this? It is the more of something I have, the happier I will be. It means I want a lot. Okay, here's an example. How much syrup do you want on your pancakes? You can say, the more the better. It means the more syrup I get, the happier I will be. I want a lot of syrup. Good. What kind of sofa do you want to buy? The more the better. Can you say that? No, you cannot say that because it means the more sofas you get, the happier you will be. So if you get one sofa, you're happy. If you get 5 sofas, you're even happier. But that's not the case. Now you have to change the more the better to this expression. The more long adjective, the better. Now, what kind of long adjective can you put there? Imagine you think comfortable. A comfortable sofa. That's great. Now, comfortable has 3 sounds. Comfortable. Comfortable. Long adjective. So you can say, the more comfortable, the better. What type of men or women do you want to date? Your idea? Attractive. Attractive is also a long adjective because it has 3 sounds. So, what do you say? The more attractive, the better. What kind of weather do you like? You're thinking hot is good. So, you say the more hot, the better, right? No, you're not right. In this case, hot has only 1 sound. It's a short adjective, not a long adjective. So, for short adjectives, here is the formula. The short adjective plus er, the better. So, what is the right answer? The hotter, the better. Do you like spicy food? And you're thinking, spicy is great. I love it. Now you have 2 options. You have to decide if spicy is a long adjective or a short adjective. These are the 2 different styles that we have studied until now. Did you make your choice? What do you say? Spicy has only 2 sounds, but it contains a Y. So it's considered a short adjective. Usually, adjectives that have 2 sounds are considered long adjectives. But every time there's a Y, it's a short adjective. So, spicy is a short adjective. What do you say? The spicier, the better. You could also say, the spicier the food, the better. That's also a good answer. Now, let's change the rules a little bit. Until now, we have dealt with this. The short adjective er, the spicier, the better. But now, look, we have delicious. Spicy is in the first part of the sentence, and delicious will be replacing the better. How do we do that? The short adjective plus er, and then you have 2 options once again. The same thing as before. Delicious is a short adjective or a long adjective. You have to ask yourself that. Delicious has 3 sounds, so it's a long adjective. So, you're going to use this one right here. And the answer will be, the spicier, the more delicious. Or, the spicier the food, the more delicious it is. Do you like fast roller coasters? And you're thinking, Fast is exciting. Now, start with the first adjective, fast. Is it short or is it long? Make your choice. Fast is a short adjective. Now let's go to exciting. You also have two options. Exciting is a short adjective or a long adjective. Exciting is a long adjective. So your answer will be the faster, the more exciting. You could also say, the faster the roller coaster, the more exciting it is. Or if you want a very simple answer, you can say, the faster the better. Why are you so curious? Curious is when someone is always asking, why? So, if you are more curious, you learn things fast. Okay. Two options for the first adjective. Curious. Short or long? It's a long adjective. It has two sounds, but there is no Y, so it's considered a long adjective. Learn things fast. Fast is the adjective here. Is it short or is it long? It's a short adjective. So your answer will be, the more curious you are, the faster you learn new things. Now let's practice. I want you to complete the sentence. The higher the price, so if the price is high, the quality is also high. So the higher the price, the better the quality. Or the higher the quality. Now you notice here, quality is not an adjective. So if there is no adjective, keep the better. Let's complete this one. The more languages you speak, so languages up, easy to travel, up also. The more languages you speak, the easier it is to travel. So you see here, languages is not an adjective, so you just keep the more. The more languages you speak, the easier it is to travel. The later you go to bed, so go to bed late, and feel tired. They are related. The later you go to bed, the more tired you feel the next day. How often should I practice speaking English to become fluent? Practice up, becoming fluent up also. They are correlated. The more you practice, the more fluent you will become. How much money do you need to be happy? Have money, be happy, both of them go up at the same time. So, here's to help you out. What is your answer? The more money I have, the happier I will be. What is your idea of a good cocktail? That's a good question. And here's a good answer. You can use this one. When it comes to cocktails, when it comes to chocolate, when it comes to parties, you can use it a lot. When it comes to cocktails, sweet, good. What's your answer? When it comes to cocktails, the sweeter the better. Or if you're not a sweet person, you can say strong instead of sweet. When it comes to cocktails, the stronger the better. Do you like events that attract a lot of people? Crowded event, enjoyable experience. Now let's go with this one. You still have two options, same as usual. Short adjective or long adjective. And it's the same thing for enjoyable experience. Short or long, you have two options. So make your choice. You ready? The more crowded the event, the more enjoyable the experience, right? Wrong. Actually, because look at the arrow. The arrow is going down in this case. So it's not the more enjoyable the experience. if there are so many people in one place, it's not very enjoyable. So you can say, the more crowded the event, the less enjoyable the experience. More and less are opposites. So if the arrow goes down, use less. Let's practice this. Travel up, want to stay home, down. You ready? Here's to help you. The more you travel, the less you want to stay home. How about this one? Spend down, save money for retirement up. No help this time, so you have to make your own sentence. Ready? The less you spend, the more money you can save for retirement, or the more you can save for retirement. Here's a last example. Exercise down, have energy down. No help either. The less you exercise, the less energy you have. Good job, guys. Hey, remember, the more videos you watch, the more you can improve. So check out these videos right here on the right side. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.